Now then YouTube, today's the day. We're going over to RS Tuning, we're going to get the car all mapped, we're going to turn up the boost and see what power it can make. The car's back there, don't know if you can see it, maybe, just. So we're just on our way to Leeds now, should be there in about half an hour or so. And then we've got the afternoon on the dyno to see what power we can achieve. See you soon. All arrived, here we go again. You're not in them? No, alright, so. What? Just to show you the example of some of the things that RS Tuning get, is a GTR from Dubai.
Lower boost we can run to get some half decent power, really.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it'll just come up, and no matter what gear, and it'll just put traction.
It does that now.
Yeah, so that's what I mean.
You can have boost by gear on the thing, but it's how that is set up. I'm not that bothered about that today, to be honest, because presumably that's something I can set up on the road, because I can just say I want, just start low.
It's mapped at both.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Exactly, alright. With my big laptop?
Yeah, big one, yeah.
The black one, yeah.
It'd be cool to get like 340-ish.
What turbo is it?
2860 RS.
2860, that'll be on its absolute half.
Would it? I think the guy that had it before, he did 323 at 1.2 bar.
We're only efficient to about 1.3, 1.4 if that.
Right.
So,
well, I'll see what it does. So the scores on the doors: 343.1 flywheel horsepower with 270 odd foot-pounds of torque. That's an increase of 45 bhp over the last engine. It's only at 1.2 bar of boost, so we could have pushed it a bit more, potentially to 1.4, 1.5, but it might be undrivable as it is, and I want to make sure that it's actually usable on the road. So